How to set the time or duration between slides on PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can set the time or duration between slides on PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your PowerPoint presentation in your device. Once you are here, now if you want to add timer or the duration between your slides, first of all, you have to select your first slide. After that, head towards the menu bar at the top and from there click on Transitions. Once you're under Transition, again navigate to your right hand side. There you will see this timer icon. So there you have to add your preferred time duration. And here click on After. So this timer will be applied after this slide. If you want to apply to all, simply click on Apply to all the presentation, and this timer will be applied to your entire presentation. If you want to do it manually, you have to click on the second slide, again head towards the transitions, and here again you have to add your preferred time duration, and you have to repeat the same with other slides as well. But if you want to apply same time duration to your entire presentation, you have to click on Apply to all. And that's the way to add time or the duration for the slides in PowerPoint. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.